Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this battery I picked up from Cycle Gear. It's a Duraboost brand. I picked it up for my 03 Suzuki Quad Sport Z400 LT Z400. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing, and I have other brands there, but I have a couple brands to choose from, but I decided to pick this one up. I'll give this one a shot. It's roughly, I believe it's $59.99. You can pick it up at Cycle Gear. And I didn't want to go with the gel battery because it's the quad, you know. It's the quad I'm putting it in, and I don't know, I just figured I'd give these a shot. They had some good reviews and everything, so I'll do the unboxing. Again, the model number is CTX9-BS. That's what the book called for my specific bike, so this is what I got. Comes with the sealed battery service instructions. They told me the acid comes separate, so you have to add that. So again, here's the box. Comes with your hardware, battery, duraboost, and again, this little box here would be your acid. Okay. Open that up. They don't come. Here you go. They don't come with the acid already inside the battery. I don't know, for some reason they don't add that in there, and you have to do it on your own. So here's a battery. Here's the instructions. Shows you to peel the plastic off. Open the tabs on the battery. Here's the instructions if you can see them better. Peel the plastic off. Peel the tops on the battery, and then fill it, cap it off. And they say you do have to charge the battery for 3 hours before installation. Do not exceed 3 amps hour for charger output. Be sure to connect the charger to the battery properly. The plus and the minus poles are marked on the battery case. When charging is done, the battery is now ready for installation and use. Perfect. So here is the seal. Tear this off, and I guess you gotta open this crap here. This is the acid that goes inside the battery, and you gotta do all that yourself. Take these tabs off, and then it's just simple as turning it upside down. And punching it in. There you go. Looks like it's doing it. I believe that's it, so we'll let that let that drain in the acid into the ports itself, and then I'll show you how I'll show you when it's all done how it looks afterwards, and we'll try to install it on the bike. Thank you very much. Alright folks, once it's all complete and drained in there, all you got to do is get the plastic caps that came originally on the tops of that, and you seal the holes with it. And there you have it. All you gotta do now is charge it for, what did they say, 3 hours? And you could install it, charge it for 3 hours, and then go ahead and install it on your bike. Thank you very much.